Hello, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Today I'm going to show you around my hotel room. This is the entryway, and right here immediately we have the bathroom. We have the toilet, sink, mirror, lovely bath and shower combo. Moving on, we got this cork board. We got a closet here, a little dresser, and we got a desk, a little nightstand, the bed, and we got a little kitchenette here. Got a mini fridge, a microwave, sink, stove, and this is where I'll be for the next 2 days. So this is actually, I sound like Squidward with my boots, like SpongeBob. So I booked this stay. Let me extend now my tripod. So I booked this stay through the Chase portal and I used my points for this. I'm currently in Seville, Spain. One sec, I could pull up the price. For 2 nights, it was $114, but I used my Chase points, which was about 9,000 points, so it was kind of free with my points. And the reason I'm here in Seville is to see Chase and Status. They're on a Euro tour and they last minute added Seville to the lineup. Seville isn't very far from me, so once I saw that they were going to be performing, I was looking online, looking and booking and seeing what I could do. I was lucky enough to get a ticket on one app. I looked for the ticket and it said they were sold out. So then I went to the club website and I was able to get a ticket, and it may have been one of the last tickets available, but I got the ticket. I'm here, gonna vibe out, just arrived. I left Madrid on a 6:55 a.m. train to get here, and it's been a quick, busy morning. I was up early. I tried to give myself extra time to get to the train station. I should have scheduled my ride in Uber ahead of time, but I didn't. And I waited till the morning, and when I was trying to hail a taxi on Cabify and Bolt, no one was accepting my ride. And I did have a driver and he was on the way, and he was 9 minutes away, and then he got close, he was 5 minutes away, and then he told me to cancel the ride, that he was too far, so I had to cancel. And then I just went to the street to try to see if I could hail a taxi that way, and on my street there was no cars coming through, so I'm wearing these boots, so I had to sprint. I'm running maybe 2 blocks to a different main road, and there I was able to hail a taxi. And at this time it's like 6:25-ish a.m. and people were leaving the club at that time, so that's why I couldn't find a taxi. But there was these 2 people who had just got out of the taxi, and I saw the taxi put their flashers on. And I was like, yes, please, please, to the train station. Please, to the train station. Let's go. And I got there just on time. I got the security just on time. I got on the train just on time. I literally sat in my seat at 6:50, and then 6:55 the train was taking off and I was on the way. So here I am. So my plans for today, I'm just arriving. I'm going to configure some things. So they DJ tomorrow night, but some things I want to do are go to the Alcazar, see Plaza de España here, and also go by the river. They have a river. A small river. So yeah, maybe I'll check that out. I don't have exact plans, just kind of going with the flow, gonna fill in my itinerary, but I also have finals this week and next week, so I do have some projects, presentations, and papers to work on, so I do need to fit that in my time as well. Oh, and this is what the outside looks like. Just out my little window here. That concludes my tour of the room at Mi Campus Estanislao del Campo. Is this a place that you would stay at? Do you have points through your credit card where you book to stay in rooms? Do you take advantage of that? What kind of places do you like to stay in? More boutique hotel? More campus? More hostel? What kind of accommodations do you like to book? Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Sending peace, love, and good vibes out there to everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!